Alright, let's dive straight into Artany AI and see what the buzz is about. If you've ever wished you could whip up stunning visuals, or dynamic videos, or even a custom video, just by typing out your ideas, Artany AI is basically your creative co-pilot. You feed it a text prompt, anything from cyberpunk city skyline at sunset, dog surfing a giant wave, and in seconds you get a totally unique image, or even a custom video. No fancy hardware or graphic design degree required. What I love about Artany is the versatility. High-res images for your blog, eye-catching thumbnails for YouTube, storyboards, social posts, it's all doable. And it's not just about looks. Artany also nails styles, moods, and tiny details when you tweak your prompts. The video generator? Super cool. You can turn a simple idea into a short animated sequence with just a few lines of text. It's perfect for marketers, creators, or honestly, anyone tired of staring at a blank screen. Plus, the platform has a built-in community. Browse other people's creations, swap tips, remix art, all in one place. And yes, there's a pretty generous free tier to get you started, so you're not locked behind a paywall from day one. Bottom line, Artany AI is changing how I think about content creation. If you're ready to level up your creative game, you should definitely give it a try. Links in the description. Go make something awesome.